Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to change the color of your name on Telegram. First you need to open your Telegram application. Then at the bottom you are going to click on the word profile. So this is our account. Let's click on the three dots of the profile. Then this is change profile color. So this is our profile. Then let's choose name. Our name is in something like, our name is having color which is almost yellow, and we want to change the color to another color like blue or green. Let's choose this one. Then as you can see, the color has changed. We need to apply style. This one is set for premium. Only premium users can change the color of the name, so you need to pay some dollars to use the color. And guys, that's how you can change the color of your name on Telegram. And that's all for today. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.